What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about two stocks today. We'll be going over PHM for Diesel Killer and PayPal for Chad Shee. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So Diesel Killer, I forget if you said that you had a put or a long opened on this thing, but I kind of do think it goes higher. From here. I think you'll probably see that 115 area. The reason for that is top to bottom here. You did on a weekly basis close above this 1886 deep extension. I think you would go up to your 2272. You bounce off your 1618 after finding resistance here. You're closing above it now for 2 weeks in a row. I think you do. You probably do come to an end at some point and come back to that $100 level, if not even all the way back down to that like $85 area. You've been overbought for a little while, but you're not super hot, but definitely showing strength. You could stand to go a little bit higher. Looking at the daily for what it's worth, coming down here, lower lows while having higher lows. That is hidden bullish divergence, so I would assume you're getting ready to move up, genuinely speaking, holding these higher lows. If you were to come down, I don't think you're going to break below that low. I don't even think you'll break below that low. I think you are getting ready to move up. So hopefully you got some call options. If they are put options, hopefully they don't expire in like a week, because I'm sure give it a month or two, this thing will come back down. Just in the more immediate terms, I think it wants to move up a little bit more. That's my genuine thoughts. So moving on from there, we're going to talk about PayPal, PYPL. All right, solid downtrend on this one for sure. Chad Shee started the week off over here, not last week, but the week before. Closed all the way down, and you did not get any follow through on the last week. You just kind of held grounds here. Came up a little bit, rejected like the halfway point of this candle. I think you're just finding turbulence right now at a previous area of support. That's just normal. I think you're going lower. High here, higher high, kind of like the reverse of what that daily was on PHM. It's instead of getting like higher lows and lower lows, you're getting lower highs and higher highs. It's hidden bearish divergence. Doesn't look good. I would assume at a minimum, at a bare minimum, you would see a double bottom, maybe a higher low, something like that, but around that area. But probably you're going to see a lower low, probably. You look like you're in a nice channel, a channel of death here, spinning to the downside. Higher highs throughout all this. Yeah, man, I really do think you're going lower. Damn, PayPal. Where are you going to go? Yeah, you got a lot, man. It wouldn't make sense to bounce here. I mean, you bounced here, and it makes sense maybe off of relative fibs, but based on previous historical price data, like really at least $49.50, but probably you're going down to that like $40 area, $39 area over time. Man, that bullish divergence though on the monthly looks real. It's 1, 2. That is triple bullish divergence, man. Oh. I forget if I noticed that in my previous video. I was probably really jazzed on that, huh? I feel like I was. Man, that bullish divergence looks really good. I think I did this exact thing the last time I talked about PayPal. That is some serious, and on the monthly, man, talk about a serious time frame. It might not be bullish divergence, though. It might be hidden bearish divergence disguised as bullish divergence, because you do have higher highs while getting lower highs, and it wouldn't really make sense for you to bounce here. So if I was bullish, I think I was bullish based off of this in my last video, and I think I just read it wrong. I think you have lower to go. I do. I think you're going to go to about $40, and I can be wrong. Maybe this is it for PayPal. Maybe it does turn around from here, but I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not convinced, man. I'm not a fan of the weekly. The monthly I'm kind of a fan of, but not necessarily. Can't even get overbought. You have no problem being oversold. So, yeah, not excited about it at all. What can I say? If I was bullish on my last one, which I think I am, I'm just going to say I was wrong. Past self, bad C-Zar. You were very wrong. I think it's going down, man, genuinely. Again, where probably around $40 to $49, somewhere in there, maybe $50 at the best case scenario, but lower nonetheless. And that's really all I got. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.